Hudson just ran through here telling us, I see you, I see you. You saying you see me. You've been saying that. You said, oh, you so good to me. Oh, that you so good to me. Oh, you so good to me. You so good to me. You said I'm paying you back everything from 25 and up. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, that's why you 25. That's why that thing fell out that cabinet earlier. And when I picked it up, you highlighted 25. That's why you got me 4 quarters. I was in the 4th quarter. Ooh, we kept doing overtime and overtime and overtime and overtime, but we wasn't getting nowhere. Ooh, now I'm there. Ooh, I done won the game. Ooh, I won that level. That's why you keep saying new game, new level, new list. You've been having me write a lot of lists and put a lot of stuff in the cart. Ooh, that's why you gave me blue card day today. Today, blue card day. Ooh, shopping. Ooh. Then you said TV. Everything that I wrote on the TV with them little stickies, that's coming to fruit. That. I didn't. Ooh. Didn't I tell you this level was gonna be easy? Didn't I tell you I was gonna take some pressure off your back? Didn't I tell you, baby? Every day at the gym, you done met somebody that's a staff member. Ooh, I told you self-care. You met a chef and a masseuse today, a therapist, massage therapist. Who I met too. Ooh, I got my new lash person. Ooh, self-care week. Ooh, today was work from home, get everything organized. You showed me like new job. You go into the new office, you got to get it all together. That's why you got me doing all that stuff. Ooh, that's why you, child cheese, get your life. Mine, boom. Oh my God. See, I don't care where I'm at. He say, I told you, let me out. Where my bike at? Ooh, how you doing?
All right, you.
Ooh, blessed and highly favored. I'm just, woo. Y'all have a great evening. Boy, if you don't leave that bag alone. Did you get them pencils out that bag?